LG 7 kilograms 5-star inverter fully automatic front loading washing machine. Product information. 6 motion control technology. Select a wash program and 6 motion direct drive technology moves the wash drum in multiple directions, giving fabrics the proper care while getting clothes ultra clean. Inverter direct drive. LG front load has its motor attached directly to the drum that reduces the noise, vibration and the wear and tear. Steam wash. LG Steam helps remove house dust mites, pet and pollen allergen in clothes requiring extra care. Baby care. Germ-free clothes for your babies. Keeping water at 40 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes and then at 60 degrees Celsius removes enzymes and detergent residue. Smart diagnosis. Any problem with your washing machine? Just connect it to the SmartThink app and know the problem. You can diagnose up to 86 errors. Waterproof touch panel. No more drying of wet hands. We have a waterproof touch panel with a seamless design. Auto restart. Power gone. Trust us, your machine cycle will start exactly from the same cycle where it had stopped when the power is back. Get rid of stubborn stains and allergens. The heater can heat water up to 95 degrees Celsius to remove any type of stain. Tub clean. It heats water at 85 degrees Celsius and your tub is clean along with the drum. Later, the dirt and water stains are removed with RPM speed. For more information, description link. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.